वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Okay. The last class, or from the last few classes, whatever we learned, just a quick summary. We learned what a pratipadikam is. We know a pratipadikam is the noun base, and dhatu is the verbal root. Namapadam is noun form. Noun forms are derived from noun base. That is, Namapadam. A Namapadam is derived from a pratipadikam. And dhatu is verbal root. From a verbal root, a kriya padam is derived. How? By adding suffixes, which are called pratyayas in Sanskritam. Okay, and the pratyayas we have not discussed. We will not discuss now, but yeah, it's a long way to go. The pratyayas which are added to pratipadikam to become a namapadam are called sup. Just knowing the name is enough now. You don't have to know what it is. That we will be reading later. The pratyayas added to the dhatu, they are called ting pratyayas. So the conversion of pratipadikam to namapadam is done by adding pratyayas, which are called sup. Sup is not just one pratyaya, it's a collection of pratyayas. Similarly, the conversion of dhatu to kriyapadam is done by adding the pratyaya called ting. That is also a collection of pratyayas. And we are now discussing pratipadikam. We are discussing pratipadikam. And the pratipadikam can be classified into two based on the ending, what it ends with. If it ends with vowel, it is called ajanta pratipadikam. If it ends with consonant, they are called halanta pratipadikam. Halanta pratipadikam is not the topic now. We will not be seeing halanta pratipadikam now. We are interested only in discussing the ajanta pratipadikam, that is noun bases ending with vowels. So in the last class we saw some Pratipadikam, some noun basis we saw. Akaranta Pullinga Shabda we saw. That is the noun basis ending with the vowel A. Ikaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. Noun basis ending with E. Noun basis ending with U. Ukaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. Then Rikaranta Pullinga Shabdaha. We just saw the Shabda and the description of the Shabda, the Pratipadikam. How a Pratipadikam is described before declension. The Pratipadikam will be declined in the form of cases. We saw 7 plus 1 cases are there, right? And those are called declensions. But before the declension, you must describe, you must give the description of the noun base. You must know what a Pratipadikam, what are the the properties, like what anta is, what linga is. That you must know, and that you are describing. You're declaring first. This is the Pratipadikam which I'm going to decline. And the last class, we started with the Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, the declension. That is, we took the Rama Shabda as the example. We took the Rama Shabda as the example. We described the Pratipadika and declined the first case. And declined the first case, which is called Pratama Vibhaktihi. The first case is called Pratama Vibhaktihi. Vibhaktihi meaning declension. Pratama is first. So Pratama Vibhakti is first case. First case denotes the subject of the action. Whatever the action is, the Kriya Padam is. Rama goes. Who goes? Rama. Therefore, the word Rama must be in first case because he is the subject of action. Pratama Vibhakti. This is what we saw in the last class, and we declined Rama Shabda, like Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. If you know Rama Shabda is Akarantaha and it is Pullinga. If you know one Shabda, Rama Shabda, Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, you can decline any Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. That is what we did in the last class. We declined for like that Ganesha and all. Ganesha, Acharya, Vriksha, Krishna, Shankara, Dhiraha, Subramanya, Gajakarna. Up to this we saw. So declension of the Pratipadikam Rama, first case declension, that is first case declension in singular, dual and plural. The declension of the Rama Shabda for its all the three Vachanam in the first case. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, we saw. Up to this we saw. Any doubt in this?
No.
Okay,
No,
good.
Guruji.
No, Guruji.
Fine.
No, Guruji.
Okay. Now we are going to proceed now further. But before proceeding, I will share something which you don't have to know now what it is, but it is good to memorize without knowing what it is. Just you need to memorize because it will be useful later. Later you don't have to, that time I don't have to struggle to commit that to memory. We will chant this every class. The intention is to start it now. We will keep chanting it every class so that when it is required, it becomes handy, right? So we are not going to discuss on that. I'm just going to show and going to say, and you will just repeat after me. Okay. It has no connection with the topic what we are seeing now. I thought in the beginning itself I should do, but it took some time to open that file. That's why I'm doing it now. Can you see a PowerPoint now? Nageshwara Sutrani iti.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Just repeat after me. We are not going to discuss on this. So therefore, no questions on this. This is only for you to commit to memory. Make sure that there is no background noise. Just listen and repeat after me. Ayevun
Ayunna.
Ruluk.
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 Eong.
Eong.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Hayavarat.
Ayavarat.
Lan.
Anna.
Nyamangananam.
Yamangananam.
Jabhai.
Jabang.
Ghadadash.
Khadadash.
Jabagadadash.
Jabagadash.
Kapha chatha chatatau.
Kapachatatav.
Kapai. Shashasar. Hal. We'll do it again. You can just listen and repeat after me. Ayun. Ruluk. Eong. Ouch. Hayavarat. Lan. Nyamangananam.
Anam.
Jabhai. Ghadadash. Jabagadadash. Kapha chatha chatatau. Kapai. Shashasar. Hal. The next one also we can do. You can listen and repeat. Akuha visarjaniyanam kantaha. Ichu yashanam talu. Rutu rashanam murdha. Lutu lasanam dantah. Upu upadmaniyanam oshtau.
Maniyanam aushtau.
Nyamangananam nasika cha. Edaitoho kantatalu. Odau togo kantha oshtam. Vakarasya danta oshtam. Jikhva muliyasya jikhva mulyam.
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुसारस्य
Okay, so we will be chanting this every class. Okay, now we'll get back to the lesson. We will discuss this very later, not now. It will take many classes to know what it is. We'll just chant every class. Okay, now coming back to the lesson. So, Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, in the same way, Akaranta Pullinga Shabdas can be declined. For its first case, we are saying, now, we'll call the names of the chat box. You can see here, example is given. The Shabda is Rama, and it is declined Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. Now you have to fill in the blank. The second one, Gaja is there. Gajaha is Ekavachanam, Gajo Dvivachanam, and the Bhagavachanam will be Girjaji. What is the Bhagavachanam?
Gajaha.
Girjaji will answer. I'm calling from the name from the chat box. So Gajaha. Next person, Priyaji. What's the next one?
Akshva, Akshvaha, Akshvau, Akshvaha.
It is Ashwa. Ashwa. Okay, Shakara. Ashwa. Ashwa is a Shabda. How do you describe the Ashwa Shabda?
Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Ashva Shabdaha.
Is Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Ashva Shabdaha, Ashvaha, Ashvau, Ashvaha, Ashvaha, one horse. Ashvau, two horses. Ashvaha, many horses. Now the next person. Third one.
Come back again into this meeting.
See, when you're talking, you can mute your mic and talk. Let not other person listen what you're talking. Manjiri, you can read. You can tell what is the. You can unmute your mic.
Yeah. The Shabda is Bala. So the Vibhakti is Balaha, Balau, Balaha.
Good. Balau, Balaha. Dvivachanam, Balau. Bhagavachanam, Balaha.
Balaha.
Yes. Next person. Prabhakarji.
Yes, Guruji. Shunuka. Ekavachanam is Shunukaha. Dvivachanam is Shunukau. Bahuvachanam is Shunakaha.
Good. Next person. Manjulaji.
Krushak Shabda and Ekavachanam is Krushakaha.
What is the Shabda?
Krushak.
Krishak. It is Kakarantaha.
Krushaka. Sorry.
It is.
Sorry, Guruji. Krushaka.
It is not. Again, you repeat the word. What is the Shabda?
Krushaka.
It is Krishaka.
Krishaka.
Not Krushaka, not U. There is no U.
Okay,
Krishaka.
okay. Krishaka.
Okay.
Krishakaha. Dvivachanam is Krishakau. Bahuvachanam is Krushakaha.
Krishaka, yes. Krishaka means farmer. Krishakaha,
Okay,
Krishakau, Krishakaha, farmers. Okay, next person. Nalini. Nalini, you can unmute your mic and read the next one.
Gayaka, Gayakaha, Gayakau, Gayakaha.
Gayaka is singer. Next person. Ram Kumarji.
Namaste, Guruji. Pachaka. So, Ekavachanam is Pachakaha, Dvivachanam Pachakau, and Bahuvachanam Pachakaha.
Yeah. Pachaka is the cook, pachaka. One
Okay.
cook, two cooks, many cooks.
Okay.
Next person, Manohar. Manohar, you can read the next one.
हरि ओम गुरुजी। अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः धनिक शब्दः धनिकः धनिकौ धनिकाः।
Yes, dhanikaha. Dhanika means rich man. Dhanika, the one who has dhanam, dhanikaha. So dhanikaha, dhanikau, dhanikaha. All these are akaranta, pullinga shabdas. Now the next one, you have to decline and describe. Okay, we'll start from you only. Manohar, you can read. You can read. Take 4 words. Just take 4 words. One by one you can do.
Yeah. अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्ग मयूर शब्दः।
Akarantaha, visarga should not be dropped. Akarantaha, pullingaha.
पुल्लिङ्गः मयूर शब्दः मयूरः मयूरौ मयूराः।
Okay.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः वानर शब्दः वानरः वानरौ वानराः। अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्ग रमण शब्दः रमणः रमणौ रमणाः। अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कपोत शब्दः कपोतः कपोतौ कपोताः।
Good. Next person now. Swati, you can do the next 4.
Akaraha.
Akaraha.
Just a second. Akaraha purlinga chhatra shabdah.
Is it akaraha? What is akaraha? We are not declining akara shabda.
Akara shabdah. Sorry. Yeah. Akara shabdah.
Not akara shabda. Akarantaha. Akara is the anta. The shabda ends with the letter a. Akara. Akarantaha.
Akarantaha shabdah chhatra shabdah.
Akarantaha. What linga is that?
Purlinga.
You have to say that. That's the format.
Purlinga chhatra shabdah.
Don't forget the format.
Yeah.
Akarantaha. First you have to say the shabda, I mean the letter what it ends with, then the gender, then the shabda. Name of the shabda.
Yeah.
That's the order.
I'll
Okay.
say it again. Yeah. Akarantaha purlinga chhatra shabdah. Chhatraha chhatrahu chhatrau chhatraha.
Chatraha.
Chhatraha.
Chatraha is singular.
Yeah.
Chatraha plural. Chatro dual.
Okay. Akarantaha purlinga balak shabdah.
Not balak.
It's not balak.
It is not balak.
What is it, sir?
It is balaka.
Balaka, sorry. Balaka shabdah. Balakah, balakau, balakaha.
Okay.
Akarantaha purlinga chalak shabdah. Chalakah, chalakau, chalakaha. Akarantaha purlinga achala shabdah. Achalah, achlau, achlaha.
See, you are cutting the vowel. Achalau. There is no achalau. Achala.
Achalau.
Achalaha, achalau, achlaha. The impact of Hindi is there too much in the pronunciation.
Yes.
Here we are not allowed to cut the last vowel or any vowel in between the letter, the word, within the letter, within the words, as it is. Achala, achala only, not achla, not achal, right?
Yes.
If you say achal, then becomes lakarantaha. Akara is the ending, but it is not, right?
Right. Right.
Okay, next person. Shruti ji, you can read the next 4.
नमस्ते गुरुजी अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पिका शब्दः
Again?
पिकः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पिक शब्दः
Pika shabdah, not pika shabdah. If you
pika
stretch,
shabdah.
if you stretch it, becomes akaranta. That's different.
Yeah. पिकः पिकौ पिकाः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः काक शब्दः काकः काकौ काकाः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः शिव शब्दः शिवः शिवौ शिवाः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः विश्व शब्दः विश्वः विश्वौ विश्वाः.
Good. Now, next person, back to the first person. Girija, you can read the next 4. You can unmute your mic and read. Girija ji. Okay. Next person can read. Priya ji.
Guruji, I have a problem with my net. I'll just participate. I
Okay.
won't read anything.
Okay.
This net is a big problem for me.
Okay. Priya ji, you can read now.
Yes, जी. अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः नर शब्दः नरः नरौ नराः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः मनुष्य शब्दः मनुष्यः मनुष्या मनुष्यौ मनुष्याः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पितामह पितामहः पितामहौ पितामहाः पौत्र अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः पौत्र शब्दः पौत्रः पौत्रौ पौत्राः.
Good. Next person. Manjari, you can read the next 4.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः स्यूत शब्दः स्यूतः स्यूतौ स्यूताः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः ग्राम शब्दः ग्रामः ग्रामौ ग्रामाः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः चन्द्र शब्दः चन्द्रः चन्द्रौ चन्द्राः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुडाकेश शब्दः गुडाकेशः गुडाकेशौ गुडाकेशाः.
Good. All the words are simple words, and many of them I think you know already meaning. You have seen. Syuta is bag, Grama village, Chandra moon. Gudakesha is the name of Arjuna. Gudakanam Ishaha Gudakesha. The one who has mastery over all the sense organs. It's called Gudakesha. Gudakesha literally means the one who has mastery over sleep. It doesn't sleep. That's called Gudakesha. Doesn't sleep over. I mean, he has mastery over sense organs. Gudakesha. So many words, sir. Simple words. Next person can read. Prabhakarji.
Yes, Guruji. Akarantaha pullingaha bharavaha shabdaha. Ekavachanam bharavaha. Dvivachanam bharavahau. Bahuvachanam bharavahaha.
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 Yes.
Yes, Guruji. Akaranta.
Bharavahaha. That's all.
Bharavaha.
Ha. Yes.
Okay, great. Akarantaha pullingaha napuna shabdaha.
Nipuna.
Nipuna, sorry, Guruji. Nipuna shabdaha. Ekavachanam is nipunaha, nipunau, nipunaha.
Yes, Nipunaha only. It's correct only. Nipunaha.
Nipunaha. Akarantaha pullingaha Vedanta shabdaha. Vedantaha, Vedantau, Vedantaha. Akarantaha pullingaha. It's
Agra.
Agradipa.
Yes.
Shabdaha. Agradipaha, Agradipau, Agradipaha.
Good. Agradipa means torchlight. Deepa is light. Agre bhavati, that is, the light is in front. What is that? Torchlight. Vedanta nama Upanishad Pramana. Upanishads are called Vedanta. Vedanam antaha Vedanta. Nipuna means expert, dexterous, skilled. That's the meaning, Nipuna. Bharavaha is the one who carries a bhara, load, porter. It's a name for porter. Okay, next person. Manjulaji, you can read the next 4.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गेन्दुकशब्दः गेन्दुकः गेन्दुकौ गेन्दुकाः अकारान्त पुल्लिङ्ग अकारान्तः
yes, okay.
अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः वैज्ञानिकशब्दः वैज्ञानिकः वैज्ञानिकौ वैज्ञानिकाः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कैवर्तकशब्दः कैवर्तकः कैवर्तकौ कैवर्तकाः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः चित्रपतङ्गशब्दः चित्रपतङ्गाः चित्रपतङ्गः चित्रपतङ्गौ चित्रपतङ्गाः.
Good. Genduka is ball. Vaigyanika, scientist. Kaivartaka, the boatman, ferryman, ferry who crosses to the other shore. Kaivartakaha, Kesharaha, it comes in Gita also. Chitrapatanga is butterfly. Chitrapatanga. The next person, Nalini ji, can read. Please read. Nalini ji, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, Guruji. Akarantaha pullingaha tailapa shabdaha tailapaha tailapau tailapaha akarantaha pullingaha dharmika shabdaha dharmikaha dharmikau dharmikaha akarantaha pullingaha ब्राह्मण शब्दः ब्राह्मणः ब्राह्मणौ ब्राह्मणाः अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः शिर शब्दः शिरः शिरौ शिराः.
Yes, Tailapa is cockroach. Dharmika is the righteous person, Dharmavan. Brahmana is Brahmana, the person, Jati Brahmana, and Brahmana is Varnashrama, one of that. Shira is the head, Shiras. Now, next person, Ramkwaji, you can read.
Yes, sir. Veera. So, Veeraha, Veerau, वीराः.
Good.
So Pandava. So Pandavah, Pandav, Pandavaah.
Pandavau.
Pandavau, Pandavaah. Sorry.
Pandavau. It is not Pandav. Pandavau.
Pandavau,
Yes.
Pandavaah. Pandavau, Pandavaah. So Makara. So Makaraha, Makarau, Makaraha.
Yes. Makara means crocodile. Makaraha. Pandava means, Pandavas. Veera is the one who is brave. The one who is brave is called Veeraha.
Right.
Okay, the next one, you can just read Adodattanam Pullinga Shabdanam Vachanam Likata. You understand the meaning? Adhodattanam Pullinga Padanam Vachanam Likata. What does it mean?
Right, what vachanam is it? Ekavachanam or dvivachanam or bahuvachanam?
Okay, Ramkumarji, what is the first word I highlighted? What vachanam is
Yes.
that?
Balaha. It is a Pullinga and it is Dvivachanam. Sorry, it is Bahuvachanam.
It is Bhagavachanam. Manohar Armugamji, what is Shivaha? What vachanam is that?
Yeah, Guruji, Shivaha is Pullingah Ekavachanam.
Just you can tell the vachanam alone. Okay.
Okay.
What about Narmadeshwaraha? You can tell.
It is Bahuvachanam.
So by seeing the word, you can tell now.
Yeah, yeah.
Next person. Swatiji, what is the vachanam of this word?
Dvivachanam.
Can you read that?
Triambakau.
Triambakau. Next one.
Vignarajaha. It's ekvachanam.
Again, ekavachanam, not ekvachanam.
Ekvachanam. Ekvachanam.
Not ekvachanam. Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
Yes. Next person. Shrutiji. Next.
Vanarau, Dvivachanam. Darpanaah.
One more is before that. Before Vanarau.
Oh, Vakratunda.
Not
Vakratunda.
Not Vakratunda. I'm highlighting it. Can you see that?
Okay. Mrityunjayah.
Yes.
Mrityunjayah, Ekavachanah. Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam, yes. Not Ekavachanaha.
Yeah. Vanarau.
Yes. Vanarau is?
Dvivachanam.
Okay.
Darpanaah.
Okay, next person will do. Yeah. That next person will do that. So, next person is Priyaji, can read. Darpanaha.
Vanarauji. Darpanaha.
Yes. What vachanam is that?
Bahuvachanam.
Okay. And if it is Bahuvachanam, what is the Pratipadikam? The Pratipadikam must be?
Darpana.
Good. Next one, Rudra Vishekaha. What vachanam is that?
Ekavachanam.
And the Pratipadikam will be?
Rudrabhisheka. Rudrabhisheka.
Rudravisheka. Next person, Manjari. Next two words.
Vishveshwaraha. That is Bahuvachana. And should I tell the Pratipadikam?
Yes.
It is Vishveshwara.
Okay.
The next word is Vinayakau. It is Dvivachanam.
Yeah.
And Pratipat is Vinayaka.
Vinayaka. Good. Next person now. Prabhakarji. Next two words.
Yes, Guruji. Vakratundaha ekavachanam. Neelakantaha ekavachanam.
You know the Pratipadikam. Vakratundaha is?
Vakratunda.
Yes, Vakratunda. That's what we chant in the beginning.
Yes.
Vakratunda Mahakaya. Neelakantaha is a Pratipadikam. Akarantaha. Pullingaha Neelakanta Shabdaha.
Shabdaha. Yes, good.
Okay. Next person now. Manjulaji. The next two.
Rudraha Bahuvachanam. Pratipadikam is Rudra. Vidya Vinayaha Ekavachanam. Vidya Vinaya Pratipadikam.
Okay. Next person. Nariniji, you can do the next three.
Barakaha
Again?
Bahuvachanam.
What is the word?
Parakaha.
Paragaha.
Parakaha.
Not kaha. Paragaha.
Paragaha.
Yes.
Bahuvachanam. Anishwaraha Ekavachanam.
Okay.
Bhimau Dvivachanam.
Good. So now this you know very well. Akaranta Shabda. Now we'll introduce some pronouns. Okay. You can listen now. I'm going to introduce only a few singular pronouns. Okay. You can see the first pronoun, this. For the word this, we have a word in Sanskritam, which is ayam. Ayam meaning this. So, ayam balaha. When I say ayam balaha, this is a boy. Ayam Ramaha, this is Rama. Ayam Vanaraha, this is a monkey. Ayam Rudraha, this is Rudra. Ayam Shivaha, this is Shiva. Ayam Subramanya, this is Subramanya. Ayam Ganeshaha, this is Ganesha. Ayam Vakratundaha, this is Vakratunda. Ayam Neelakantaha, this is Neelakanta. Right? So, ayam meaning this. And here you can see something I have put that in a square bracket. You can also be slowly familiar with this format. What it means is, here with a square bracket you see 1 by 1. The numerator 1 stands for the case, first case. The denominator stands for the vachanam, number. So, Pratama Vibhaktihi, that is the numerator. Ekavachanam is the denominator. I use this to understand a word. So what were we saw so far? Declined. Like for example, the previous we saw, I asked you what are the vachanam. You did the exercise now. Vidya Vineha. Suppose the word Vidya Vineha is there. What vibhakti, what vachanam? It is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Right? Vidya Vineha is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. And Paraha is Pratama Vibhakti, but it is Bahuvachanam. So therefore 1, 3. 3 stands for the plural. 3 means more than 2. More than 2 is plural, Bahuvachanam. Therefore Paragaha 1, 3. So this is a notation, it's a simple one which we will be using to just understand the word. If we put like this, you will understand. 1 by 2 means Pratama Vibhakti, Vachanam is Dvivachanam. So Vinayakau. So this is a simple, this is not Sanskritam, okay? Yeah, there's no any rule you must put this. I use this so that when we analyze a word, I understand it better. That's why I use it. Okay. So now when I use like this, you can understand. When I use this notation with regard to Shabda, with regard to the Namapadam, you can understand that numerator is Vibhakti, denominator is Vachanam. Okay. So the word for this is ayam. That is one word is there. So it means Ayam is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Do you get any question? What is, if Ayam is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, then the subsequent question will be, naturally the question will rise. What is the question? You know, what will you ask if Ayam is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, that is first case singular, then
What is Dvivachanam?
Dvivachanam, and what is Bahuvachanam, right? You will ask. We will see it later, don't worry. One more thing you will ask, important. What is that? What is a Pratipadikam? Right? What is the noun base for Ayam? Ayam also has got a noun base, right? It must have a noun base. Ramaha. Ramaha is there. So Rama is a noun base. Similarly, Ayam also must have a noun base, not Makaranta. Ayam has got a different noun base that we will see later. We are not going to discuss it now. Just you know, it has a noun base. From that noun base, the first case singular is Ayam. I want you to remember the word Ayam. Ayam meaning this. First case singular. So that we can start reading sentences, understand the sentences. Okay. Similarly, there is another word for this. That is Yeshaha. Yeshaha also meaning this. That is also Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. First case singular. Trivachanam, Bhagavachanams are there. We will learn that slowly later. Similarly, Yeshaha also must have a Pratipadikam, noun base. That also we will learn later. You understand? The word Yeshaha meaning this. Ayam meaning this. And Saha. Saha is that. Saha is that. That is also Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Ayam Ramaha. This is Rama. Saha Ramaha. That is Rama. He is Rama. Right? Saha Ramaha. Saha Krishnaha. Saha Madhavaha. Saha Veeraha. Saha Vidya Vinayaha. When you say that is Rama, that is Krishna. Okay. So this and that, both the pronouns we are learning. And for the word this, we have two words are there. One is Yeshaha, other one is Ayam. Yeshaha and Ayam. Okay. Now you can see the sentences below. Simple sentences are given. Ayam Ramaha. What is that? Ayam Ramaha. What is the meaning? Ramaha is what? Ramaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Right? Ramaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Manjari, you can keep your mic mute. Unless I ask them to unmute, you can keep the mic in mute. Ayam Ramaha. Ramaha is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Ayam is also Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. This is Rama. We say this is Rama. Ramaha is talked about in the sentence. And Ramaha is, how many Ramas? Only one Rama. Therefore, the denominator is one. And yet you are referring to the person Rama using the pronoun this. That is also singular. Therefore, that also must be singular. That is, to the word Rama, Ramaha, Ayam is like a qualifier. Not qualifier, one is a subject, other one is a predicate. Right? Subject, predicate. Therefore, the Vachanam should match. In English, how do you say this is Rama? You don't say this two is Rama, we don't say. We are talking about two people, then Ramas must be there. You don't say these are Rama. These are Ramas. Many people are there. So this is singular. Rama also singular. The same logic here also. Ramaha is singular. Therefore, I am also singular. And Rama is a subject. Therefore, it is in Prathama Vibhakti, singular. I am also must be same because it is a predicate. We are talking about Rama. He is a subject. So this Rama, Vibhakti also must be same. This is Ramaha. I am Ramaha. So like that, sentences, few sentences are given. You can understand the sentences now. I am balakaha. This is a boy. Balaka meaning boy. This boy. When you translate, becomes this boy. But we translate in English. This is a boy. Okay. I am Vanaraha. This is a monkey. I am Mayuraha. This is a peacock. Okay. You understand up to this?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes,
Any doubt?
Guruji.
Any doubt in this?
Yes, Guruji.
Guruji,
Yeah.
did you mention anything about Asia? Because I had lost the internet for a few, for some
Esha, I
time.
didn't say anything. Esha, I mean,
Okay.
said this. I said this.
This. Okay. Thank
Esha meaning this. I am also this. You can
Okay.
say I am Ramaha. Instead of I am Ramaha, you can say Eshaha Ramaha. Eshaha Balakaha.
Okay.
Eshaha Vanaraha. Eshaha Mayuraha. Right?
Okay. So they can be interchanged
As of now.
as of now. Okay, thank you.
We will see the difference. A slight difference is there between the two. We will see in the subsequent classes.
Okay.
So now today I introduced I am Eshaha. Some two simple pronouns. Okay. So we will stop here. We'll stop here. We'll continue in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी.
Thank you, Guruji.
Thank you.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवादः.